What is up, everyone? This is Motorola here. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the Roblox not launching on your Windows 10 device. So let's get right into this. So there's a few ways to fix this. The first thing that I would recommend you to do is go to your search bar and type in Microsoft Store until you see this pop up. And in here, I want you to basically download Roblox directly from the store. Either search it, or if you see it pop up, just download it directly from here and install it. A lot of times just doing this fixes a lot of these issues in general. So I would recommend you to basically go down this route from here instead. Now, if you've done this and it still doesn't fix it for you, find the Roblox player itself on your desktop, do open file location, and in here find all the exe files and basically right click into them, go to properties, go to compatibility, and do run this program as administrator for all of them, and then press apply and turn the launcher back on. Doing this should basically fix this issue for you, and you should not be running into like it not launching or it crashing or whatever the issue may be any longer on your Windows 10 device. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys like our video, please thumbs up, go to the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and that Motorola's out. Peace.